Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen issue, blue screen issue on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -DX12 or -windowed. So here how to do it. Open Epic Games. Then click on this three dot next to the Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game, and then click on Manage. And then turn on the launch options. And then here type -DX11 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Manage. And this time in the launch option type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the Manage. And this time type -windowed. And then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to the game, manage, and remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2, put the game in windowed mode. So while launching the game, when it loads, hit Alt plus Enter to put the game in windowed mode. Also, you can put the game in windowed mode in the settings from the main menu and your problem will get fixed if you are able to launch the game. Fix 3 is to delete or uninstall the mode. Now if you are using any kind of mode, then delete them or uninstall them and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to turn off cloud save. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on Manage and then turn off the cloud saves and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Later you can enable the cloud saves. Fix 5 is to delete Disco Elysium, the Final Cut save data. Now you will lose all the saved game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items. Then open App Data folder, then open Local Low folder. Now open the ZAUM Studio folder. Here you will see Disco Elysium folder. So right click on it, copy it first and then go to the desktop and then paste it. And after keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection and then click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click Yes to allow and then click on Add an allowed app, then click on Browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open Program Files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Disco Elysium folder. Now select this Disco Elysium exe file and then click on Open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on Firewall and Network Protection and then click on Allow an app through firewall and then click on Change settings, then click on Allow another app, click on Browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Program Files, open Epic Games folder, open Disco Elysium folder, select Disco Elysium file, select Disco Elysium exe file and then click on Open and then click on Add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked, then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well and then launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it and then launch the game and check. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue then select custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 8. Run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot and then click on manage, and then click on this folder icon next to the installation. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click the Disco Elysium exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 8 again, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it, and then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Disco Elysium folder, select Disco Elysium exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the game and then click on manage, and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next fix is to disable overlay. So disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay app such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 13. Close conflicting or unnecessary programs. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Reserve Synapse, or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game from your PC, and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game, to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or blue screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.